Hi, my name is Soniya. I'm running a daycare center in the Prestige Hotel. Our daycare center's name is Oceana Kids Zone. We've been started working with Shutano for last 2 months. The business I've started in a year ago, and till I met her, like before 2 months, I had hardly 6 kids with us here. And now we have 26 kids. I'm very happy to share this information because this is the 80% of the growth for me, whatever we have achieved right now, is because of Shutano's idea, and I have implemented it. The way even the small details she tells me, this is how you have to speak to the parent, this is how you have to deal with the kids. And those business ideas were really working out for me and helping us building on this business. And right now, I'm like more of in a state where I have got the confidence that I can grow more. This is not just this is just a beginning. So I got a confidence. This business is gonna grow in a big way, and I'll be happy, very very happy, once we are in that stage to proudly say I've taken Shutano's help, and she is my business coach who has done all this for me, and which has worked out for both of us in a better way. So that's my thank you.